Tearing during childbirth, also known as perineal tearing, which refers to the tearing or separation or stretching of the perineum, which is the area between the vagina and the anus. It's very common during the vaginal delivery and can vary in severity. So here are some tips that you can keep in mind to avoid tearing. Number 1, learn about labor and birth and prepare your mind to remove the fears and tension around it. Number 2, do not hold your breath while pushing the baby out. Breathe when you're pushing the baby out. Number 3, push with your knees together and not knees wide apart. Number 4, baby should be in the optimal position in the womb. Be careful of your posture. Do not slouch and sit. Number 5, make sure you're doing your pelvic floor exercises to maintain the elasticity of the pelvic muscles and help strengthen and relax the pelvic floor. Do your perineum massages from 34 to 35 weeks onwards, maybe 2 to 3 times in a week with gentle pressure. Read the caption below to find out what are the different degrees of tear. Take care.